Today at shopdap.com we're going to be doing an engine air filter on a 1.8T Passat. Okay, so air filter changes on a 1.8T Passat. So air filter changes are something that is required. The former interval on these engines, well, not this specific engine, but former VW and Audi's more recent ones were 30,000 miles. They've since changed that to as needed. Now I suspect the reason why is because a lot of VW dealers are going to have something called Service Express. This is a process where they will inspect your air filter, and part of the reason why they changed the interval is because they found dirty air filters before the normal interval, and they were concerned that people were going to be upset about the interval change. So obviously inspect it, see what's going on, and then you can change it as needed, and we're going to show you how to do that now. Okay, so real simple here. We have our air box and we have these T25 Torx that run around it. All we're going to do is loosen them up. They go around the perimeter of the air box. And you should see that loosen up like so. And there is a hose here which we can pull off and just slides off the other side of this air box with maybe like a pick or something you can use to pull it, or you can just pull it off your hands, and then you can pull this up and out of the way, and you can leave it all attached, and we can pull up our air box and take a look at it. Okay, so we see our filter here, and it's pretty dirty. You can see, if you break it open like that, you can see inside is dirty. They are glued together, so obviously you're not going to be able to do that if you're planning on reusing it. But you can see that inside there's quite a bit of dirt and debris. This is not probably a very old filter, but I don't know when this was most recently changed. This is definitely not the original one because this car has 49,000 miles on it. Now we grab our new one, and if you want, you can kind of use like a shop vac or something to clean this out if there's a lot of dirt and debris inside of here. This one's actually pretty clean, so we're just going to throw that in there. Make sure you get this in all the way around, and then we can drop this back in place. And what we're going to do is snug these up. Make sure you put this vacuum line back on if you took it off, and we're all set. Thank you so much for watching our DIY on how to install an air filter on a 1.8T Passat. If you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more like it.